Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect MetaTrader 5 to TradingView, so you can combine the power of TradingView's charts with the execution from MT5. If this helps you, hit like so more traders can find it. First, you need to make sure you have both accounts ready, your MT5 account from your broker and your TradingView account. TradingView doesn't connect directly to MT5 natively, so you'll need a bridge, usually provided by your broker or third-party apps like MT5 to TradingView connectors or plugins. Download and install the connector according to the provider's instructions. Once installed, open MT5 and go to the settings to allow external connections. Enter any API keys or credentials provided by the connector so it can link to your TradingView account. Then, in TradingView, go to the chart, open the trading panel and select the MT5 option. Log in with your MT5 credentials, and the account should now appear inside TradingView. This allows you to send trades directly from TradingView charts while executing them on MT5. Remember, depending on the connector or broker, some features like indicators or one-click orders may work differently, so always test with a demo account first. And that's it. If this helped you connect MT5 to TradingView, hit subscribe, give a like, and leave a comment if you want me to show a step-by-step guide for setting up live trades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.